Good evening, people. Welcome Hemanta Gurukul Kitchen. So today I discuss the nutrients value of paneer because already many time I share the only process of making the paneer. So that reason I only describe the what is the benefit of the paneer. So first of all I discuss the paneer nutrients value. So paneer is the low in lactose and rich in the fat, protein, calcium, vitamins, phosphorus and the minerals. The nutrients value of paneer is described in the below. I discuss what is the benefited for eating the paneer. So you can first of all you see energy. So energy 323 calorie per 100 gram in the paneer. Carbohydrate in 5 gram paneer per 5 gram paneer is the 100 gram of the calorie. Fat in the paneer 27 gram and per 100 gram. Protein also 15 gram per in the 100 gram for the paneer. Cholesterol in the paneer 76 mg per 100 gram. Iron also 0.9 mg, so per 100 gram. Calcium also 350 gram paneer gram paneer, so per 100 gram benefited. So potassium also 63 mg, so per 100 gram. Copper also 0.100 mg, so per 100 gram. Phosphorus also 350 mg, so per 100 gram in the paneer. Zinc also 2.74 mg, so per 100 gram. And here also means I discuss the all 100 grams. So in this time I don't discuss the each and every time the 100. So first of all I another area I discuss copper 0.10 mg, phosphorus 350 mg, zinc 2.7 mg, and this is the all 100 gram. And magnesium 25 mg, as selenium 5 ug also, magnesium 0.13 mg also, vitamins A 2.212 मतलब 212 mg they came, and vitamins B12 and came in paneer 0.28 mg. And I think I forget this meaning what is the called. So vitamin B29, sorry, vitamin B9, so 23 ug, vitamin B7 21 ug, and vitamin B6 0.04 mg, vitamins B5 0.49 mg, vitamins B3 0.13, vitamin B2 0.100 mg, vitamin 1 0.20 mg. So that is all vitamins came. Again I discuss the second point, property of the paneer. So paneer content micronutrients, they play major biological activities necessary for our healthy growth. The major property of the paneer included: it may be a antioxidant, it may be boost the immunity, it may be help in the digestion, it may be reduce the cancer risks in paneer, it may strengthen bones, it may lower body weight, it may benefit kidney health, it may have stress relieve the property, it may have blood pressure lowering property. So this is all came in the paneer. And another area I discuss the which person like eat the paneer or which person they are not eat the paneer. So other area I discuss first of all for the pregnant women, why they are not eat. So that is the like very well defined in this my area. Like paneer may be ideal food for the pregnant women and barney feeding women. breastfeeding women, those women are the their birth baby. However, women at this stage must consult their doctor. Without doctor prescribe, you don't eat so much of the paneer. Paneer may be nutrients for the infant, growing children, and the adult. However, they are the lactose intolerant. Avoid the giving their paneer. Before buying the paneer, check their quality. Ensure it is the clean frame and the spongy with a pleasant adult and without any discoloration and impurities. You did not purchase, because you know in this time India going to a mix for lot of time for the paneer and the like spice. So also India very much working in the food safety, uh, an inspector, food safety for lot of rule and regulation, but I don't know why not in available in the grassroots. So people, they, that is the my one prescription for the all people. You don't purchase the open paneer. Their price is 35 per 100 gram, 35 rupees per 100 gram paneer. So I think this is the mixed paneer. So you Amul paneer and another company paneer you can purchase, but without in this area, so you don't purchase. So already I share how to making this paneer. So already I complete gravy process. So in this time gravy very well like fry. So I add the Everest gram masala for their texture, their color also came. So in this area another 2 to 3 minutes I going to roast, at least reduce their oil. So that reason I going to very well fry. After fry all the things, so I add little amount of the water and now add the all the paneer and mix at least 2 to 3 minutes. So then their gravy absorb all the paneer also going to soft. So that is the one way of the my style, because I live in 5 years in the West Bengal, 2 years in the Rajasthan, and now I live in the Delhi. So I know and I see many dhaba, many restaurant, their process of the paneer. So I learn their paneer recipe. That reason I share very well. And you know people, you roast the paneer, their gravy and their spice you roast very well. So only add the paneer, so their texture are came in the very well. So thank you so much people watching my video. This paneer vegetable is totally done. I go to the lunch table or dinner table. You can see this is the 5 and 4 chapati and I eat this paneer. So you eat the puri also, you eat the lachhedar paratha also, so their texture are came in very well. So thank you so much people watching this video. You like my YouTube channel, so definitely you comment, you ask anything else for me, I definitely reply. So thank you so much people watching this